So in this video, you'll learn how to use the built-in compass on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So the first step is to navigate to settings, and then from here, you're going to scroll and select the option display. Under display, you're then going to look for edge panels and you're going to tap on it. And then you're going to select panels after you ensure that this feature is enabled. From here, you're then going to look through the different panels available until you find tools and you're going to select it. Once you've selected it, you can now go ahead and exit the settings app. Next, just bring up the edge panels on your phone. And then once you've brought it up, you want to swipe through the different panels until you get to tools. The first tool that you'll see will obviously be the compass, but if it's not, you will have to set it to compass. To do that, you're going to tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the tool panel, and then you're going to select the option compass. Once you've selected it, you should then see a compass available for you to use. If you don't see it appearing immediately, you will need to calibrate your compass. So if it's giving you a menu like this, just go ahead and move your phone around so that you can have it calibrated to your location. Once it's been calibrated, it should then bring you up something like this. And now you can start using the compass on your Galaxy Z Fold 7. You'll also see the location as well as the longitude and latitude of your current location. And if you feel as if it's still not as accurate as possible, you can always just choose to recalibrate it. And so that is how you can use the built-in compass on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.